In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound futures as they're moving higher once again today. British pound futures trading higher for a third consecutive session. Today we're looking at the futures market up just under 0.75% currently, right around the 1.253 level, as we are now moving towards what appears to be new closing highs for 2025 with the higher price action for a third session. Driving factors today, a couple things influencing the markets. Number one, overnight economic data coming out of the UK stronger than anticipated. GDP data stronger, manufacturing, industrial production data stronger as well. And I think that was one of the catalysts as to why we did see some higher price action early in the session. And then as we move through the session, dollar weakness is another factor as we're seeing most of the major FX futures markets moving higher today. So it appears that that's supporting mechanisms here today as to why the price action continues to maintain upward momentum. Looking at the general trends with today's higher levels, as I mentioned, we are now trading up to the highest levels for 2025 for the British pound and maintaining upward price action here for the better part of the last couple of weeks. And overall, higher price action pretty much across the board in the FX quadrant today. When you look at the euro up just under 0.5%, as well as the Swiss francs, the big mover today, up 1% on the day. But overall, Canadian dollar stronger, Australian dollar stronger, and the Japanese yen is another strong component today as we're seeing higher price action pretty much across the board in all those major FX markets. But really, when you look at relative strength over the last few weeks, particularly, the British pound has shown relative strength when you look at the other major FX futures markets. So British pound futures moving higher for a third session, trading up to the highest closing levels for 2025.